In this video, I will show you how to delete your Moonton account. So if you've logged into your Moonton account and this shows here on your game and you want to just remove or delete this account, it's very easy. So on the account settings here, just select account center and then you'll see an option cancel account. So if you select here cancel account, it will open into an external browser. So let me show you. So I'll select here cancel account. It will open into the browser as it says here, apply for cancellation of game account of Mobile Legends bang bang. So you'll need to just apply by selecting here I have carefully read and met the conditions for account cancellation, then click next. Also click next, then you can select here I have read carefully and agree to the game account cancellation agreement, then click next. And then it says here login into the platform account bound by the game. So you'll have to log in into your account by selecting here Moonton account. And then here provide the email address. Also provide the email address. You'll select here send. Now it will send the verification code into your email. And then you'll input that verification code on this section and then select login. And then that's how you can apply for cancellation of a game account for your Moonton. And that's how you can remove or delete it.